Child abuser, physical harassment, mental harassment, and emotional harassment, all these kinds of harassments. So, Adalot, okay, so judge was listening to us and their lawyer was telling like as if I am their property, I'm not a human, as if I'm their property, like ami manush na, ami their property. They were talking like this. So what I did is that, like, excuse me, I am not a property, I am a human being, and nobody, like, bare minimum, nobody has the right to just come and abuse me. I was a child. Then it would be like I also have the right and go and then abuse someone. Do I? I don't think I have the right to abuse you. Do I don't. So you don't either. Nobody does either. That is what I said. I said the common sense. I mean common sense policy. I said common sense and that's right. And I'm proud of myself. Oh, they didn't say anything. They're the criminals. What will they say?